I'm going to try something new. I bought a cover for the van. I've never used one of these for a van, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to actually even get it up on the top of the van. So I washed the van, that's why I'm all grungy, and I'm ready to unpack this. I bought the right size, I think. Oh, so it comes in this handy dandy little case. In here are the directions, and then the straps to hold it down, and then a whole bunch of patch material. This worries me a little bit if I need this much patch material. So anyways, so I'm going to try and put it up on the van. I did read the directions, and they said that you start in the front. So you put this up in the center of your van and then roll it backwards. So sounds very simple. I doubt it's going to be. The first thing I did was the sharp points that I have up on the top of the van, like the lights and the solar panels, I put foam over them so that it won't rip this, hopefully. So that's the first thing I did. Now I'm going to crawl up there and see if I can get this up there. So bear with me. Got it kind of unrolled. Got to move the ladder.
Honey, would you mind if I get Danny to help?
I don't mind. Hold on a sec. We're going to get help. It's not easy if you can't actually get on the roof. I don't really want to crawl up there. So I go around the other side.
Danny, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. So let's spread this out on the driveway and see what we got. All right. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the front. All right, second try.
You want to go into Honey, I thought you said you read the instructions.
I did.
Oh.
The instructions didn't help much.
Oh.
Definitely an iterative process. Ah, I have the logo in front. That's a good sign. Not for the faint of heart. So it's starting to look like a cover. So I got it up there. It's not something you want to do every day, but if you're going to be storing your van for a long time, this might be a good idea. I do need to figure out if they were smart enough to put a hole in it for my antenna, or if I have to unscrew my antenna. Unscrewing my antenna is no big deal, but gotta see if that is what I have to do. So I think it's just a matter of pulling it taut and putting the straps underneath it to keep it from blowing away. And I think that's it. We'll see. So, got the front on, go finish up the back. It should be done. So these straps, just click on. Go underneath the van. Click on the other side. We get a.
Well, I think John did a great job. He didn't kill himself. He put the cover on, and hopefully it will keep the van nice and clean while we're not taking it on a trip.